Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to Kirti's Notebook. If you have not subscribed to my channel then please click on subscribe button. Today we will learn 10 lines on Labor Day. So let's get started. May 1st is Labor Day in India. It is a special day for workers. It is a day to thank all people who work hard every day. Labor Day reminds us of the importance of jobs and workers. Labor unions organizes marches, meetings and other events. It is a day to celebrate rights of workers and their contributions. We should always be kind to people who work and appreciate what they do. It is also called May Day as it comes on 1st May of every year. May Day reflects India's commitment to ensuring labor rights and welfare. It is a day to stand together. Let's celebrate this day by showing gratitude to those who make our lives better. You can also click on the above link to see more videos. Thanks for watching.